This is for a 2013 GMC Acadia. How to replace the front headlights. Every video I've seen so far, it tells you have to take off the whole tire. All I did is I took off these screws using my handy dandy 5-star screwdriver. I know I'm gonna get a lot of comments about my tool, but that's all I had. Basically, that hole you see in here is where the light is in, and it's actually covered by this lid that I had already taken off, and I'll show you how to put back. But basically you have to reach in there and turn the light bulb. Give me one sec. So that's how it looks when it's pulled out of its socket. I really wish I could show you better detail, but basically it just needs to go in that hole, which is pretty much impossible to show you how to get in there. One sec. Alright. So as you can see, the hose opened up. And try to... That's the light bulb. You have to turn it counterclockwise, I believe. Give me one sec. Yeah, counterclockwise to remove and clockwise to insert back. And now I'm gonna put back my lid. That's what the lid looks like. And that's it. It's on. Simple as that. You turned counterclockwise to remove, clockwise to put back. And now my headlights are fixed. Well, hope it helps. I know it's not the best, but at least you don't have to remove the whole tire. Y'all have a good one. Peace. So these are the screws that I was talking about. Once you take those off, this becomes pretty flexible to pull back. And then there's this one pin up here that I also removed, and it's really not necessary because all of this, it stays intact. The only part that bends is up to this point. It bends down and it gives you access to that light bulb. I also found that you can access the light bulb from up here, but the only problem with accessing the light bulb like that is, give me one sec, that you have all this covering it, so you have to actually stick your hand in and reach back here. You see, that's the light we were talking about that you have to turn. So it is accessible from the top part, but it's just a little bit difficult, and that lid actually doesn't fit to that tight little space, or it does fit, but it's a tight fit. I've already changed it like that before on the other side. But again, I hope this video helps. Y'all have a great day.